93 Elvin.
Go ahead.
Got a crotch rocket taking off on me. County Road 3, eastbound towards St. Leo.
County Road 3, eastbound towards St. Leo.
I'm at 120.
Please at 120.
Passing cars.
10-4. Passing cars.
Any idea who might be Casey?
No, he pulled up beside me and got real close and hit his plate right in my ear.
I've got no coverage in Camby this afternoon.
I think Minnesota 0702 Mary King.
What's your location?
County Road 3, 250th, I believe.
10-4.
You're not going to shoot me or nothing, are you?
Nope.
I'm going to go in my pocket.
Yep.
93 status.
10-2. Mr. Golickson.
And your plate 0702 Mary King is not on file.
07022 Mary King, sorry.
10-4.
You didn't crack it.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. I missed the gear.
That's your driver's license?
My driver's license.
Do you have the hard card?
Yeah?
I need the hard card with the paper.
Make sure you got a body camera on, Casey.
That works.
Which car is the closest to him?
I think it's me. I'm by Gunny's.
I just missed the gear, that's all. I didn't crack the exhaust. I was trying to shift into second and I missed it. We're into neutral.
I'm 10-2 for right now.
10-2, 15-17.
Name 3 L Medicine. 45 when you're ready. You should have them on in-house. But
Derek Gullickson.
10-4.
He is valid. Numerous violations. He's got a motorcycle permit.
10-4.
a good enough signal to get my insurance up. It's on my Google pictures. I don't have a good enough signal.
Stay off your bike, stand right there. I'm gonna go in my squad car. I'm gonna issue a couple citations.
All right.
First one for speed.
Wanna use
Second
my
one,
pen?
huh?
Want to use my pen?
No, I got a computer.
Okay.
First for speed, and then exhaust, and then no insurance.
How you
Then
gonna give me for speeding? I wasn't
the
speeding.
no insurance is gonna be for
How
you
you give me
can.
for speeding? I wasn't speeding.
Well, I'm not gonna sit here and have this argument out on the
I
roadside.
wasn't speeding.
Well, yeah, you were.
How fast was I going?
You were going over the posted speed limit,
How fast is that?
over 55 miles an hour.
That's not. You got to know how fast I was. How
No,
fast was I going?
it's my judgment.
That's bull ass. Now go ahead and do your thing, man.
And I believe you passed that vehicle without using turn signals also.
My signal.
So keep your hands out of your pocket, stay off your bike. Stand in the ditch side if you want.
Stand right here.
All right, that's up to you, but I want to just say that people get crazy and they might run into you.
Whatever needs to be, whatever you need to do.
All right.
Don't have me on radar.
Between
I told you I got
2020
insurance.
of Tom
Nah, you can't prove it, so
I can prove it. Let's go back to the video on my phone.
Hello, Medicine 9-3, your status?
10-2.
And 2-15-20.
What? Talking to your insurance agent does not provide proof. Okay. When the statute was wrote, it said you can have your insurance on your phone, but you have to have access to it.
I can't, I don't know where I've got coverage. I got coverage everywhere but right out here.
Who's your agent?
Here, talk to her.
How do I even know who I'm talking to, Mr. Gullickson?
It's my mom.
Well, that's not your
She
insurance.
pays for my insurance.
She pays for it, but that's not your agent, Derek.
She's got the card. You can stop in and get it from her.
Okay. You can just take that card and you can send it in, and they'll dismiss that part of
that before.
that citation.
We've already done that before, and it didn't work.
Well, then you fight it in court.
I'm sick of going to court, you guys. Why are you harassing me?
Why did you crack your pipe in my ear when I was trying to set up the trailer?
I missed second gear.
Well, it blew my eardrum out.
I don't think so.
So
That's perfectly legal exhaust.
I'm going to issue you that citation, and you can get that dismissed.
Why are you pulling me over anyway?
Why am I?
Yeah.
For the exhaust. And then when I tried to stop you for the exhaust, you were speeding away from me.
You were at a complete stop. And it took me, we're not even a mile out of town.
I'm not going to argue this,
How am I
Derek.
speeding?
Derek, I'm not going to
You
argue
didn't
this.
even get me on radar. You're harassing the shit out of me, man. I'm going to hire an attorney.
10-2.
He won't talk to you. He just wants to write it.
10-2.
All right.
Did you understand him, 9-6?
I'm 10-2.
10-4, 10-2, 15-23.
$9-3 Elmerson. You see a maker model on that 28?
Yamaha SZ1 Sport.
Hmm. Hmm.
21.
What's going on there?
Twenty-three, 21. Good. You tied up? Negative. Timber. After a big one, swing up to the office. Oh.
There are the fields.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, 341 at 1527.
No, it's on. And then also there's recording on my dash of my squad car also.
How about a recording of all the disaster you did to my house?
Okay, Mr. Gullickson.
All over my clothes and stuff.
Mr. Gullickson, what I did was I cited you for, like I said, speed over the limit, equipment, muffler required, and then traffic insurance, no proof. The no proof, you can send that into the court, they'll dismiss that citation. There's also information shown on the right how you can contest this citation.
All the damage you did to my house.
There's also information on the right-hand side of this ticket that'll tell you how to either pay the ticket and or set a court date for the citations, okay? Have a safe ride.
Yeah, right.
You're 93, your status?
10-2. I think I'll be 10-8 as long as he gets on his bike. And or I'm going to turn around and...
10-4.
Nine 693.
Stand by. Camera running. I'm going to wait till I clear here, and I'll go.